Hi, I'm Skylar. If you've typed in your password on your iPhone a bunch of times and it's disabled the phone because you got it incorrect, you could fix this by restoring your phone through iTunes. Take a look at this help topic. It's on Apple's website. So if you see this message, iPhone is disabled, and you've previously synced your device with iTunes, you may be able to reset the passcode by restoring the device. So how do we do that? Well, first you connect the device to the computer. And then if the device is still disabled, then you may have to restore it. So check this out. Got my sync cable here, and all I have to do with a disabled device is plug it in and plug it into the computer. Now, as the help topic said, it presumes that you've synced it with this computer in the past. If you've never synced it with this computer, you will have to restore it. But what we see take place right away is syncing. And when the iPhone syncs with iTunes, it's going to re-enable it. And then once it's finished syncing, you can actually go through here in order to change the password. You've got a few different options here, like backup control and yada, yada, yada. So it's restoring the phone and restoring from a backup that will allow you to reset the passcode. And for some real detail about that, you can check out this webpage. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.